Hi, this is Noah with Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions. In this video, we'll go over the components and maintenance instructions for the Solmetex NXT DryVac Tankless Dry Vacuum Maintenance Kit. The Solmetex NXT DryVac Maintenance Kit provides replacement components needed to perform annual service for continuous, safe, efficient, and reliable operation of the vacuum pump. The components provided with your maintenance kit are as follows: the vacuum inlet filter, the noise-reducing foam set, the water return valve, the water outlet connector, the water outlet hose, and the PWS Amalgam waste bucket. Step 1. Remove and replace the vacuum inlet filter. Once you've located the old vacuum inlet filter, you'll first turn the filter counterclockwise to release it. You'll then remove the old filter and replace it with the new one. Lastly, turn the new filter clockwise to secure it in place. Step 2. Remove and replace the noise-reducing foam set. First, locate and remove the old noise reducer. Next, remove and replace 6 foam discs. Lastly, replace the noise reducer. Step 3. Remove and replace water outlet hose and connector. The first step is to loosen the outlet hose clamp. Then, remove the outlet hose. Next, lift up on the retainer clip. And then, remove 2 retainer clips. After that, remove the hose adapter. Then, remove the outlet connector. Note the location of the black ring in the outlet connector. Next, install the new outlet connector. Reinstall the hose adapter. Align the rear retainer clip and push the clip down to attach it. Then align the front retainer clip. Push the clip down to attach. Install the new hose with clamp. And finally, tighten the hose clamp. Step 4. Remove and replace the water return valve. First, locate the water collection valve. Hold the valve firmly and pull off the tube. Then, detach both tubes. Next, align the new valve with the tubes. Hold the valve firmly and push on the tube. Finally, attach both tubes. Step 5. Discard and recycle all spent components using PWS Amalgam waste bucket provided. First, read the recycle instructions for the waste bucket. Second, discard used components. Finally, seal and recycle the waste bucket per instructions. If you have any other questions about your NXT DryVac system or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And don't forget to like and subscribe.